Hello, I'm Dr. Harold Lancer. I'm a dermatologist who's been in private practice for almost 35 years. And I'm happy to tell you that Namshi.com is bringing our products to the Middle East. We're really proud of that. We're proud of the products. We're proud of the purveyor, Namshi. As a dermatologist, we have many tricks of the trade in our office clinics here in Beverly Hills. Oh, I think we have every known laser and radio frequency instrument, every tightening machine you could possibly think of. And it's all linked to our philosophy of skincare. First, it's home care, and then we move on from there to use various procedures to perfect what the home skincare program has done. It's important for you to know that skincare of high quality used at home is the first stage of getting yourself to the most beautiful state you can be. Now, it's very important that you know that I have at least 5,000 or 6,000 patients who visit me from various parts of the Middle East who have various issues that need to be treated. And that group in particular has a very interesting group of special needs in terms of color correction, color maintenance. All right, let's get started. And you're going to get to see me put on my special glasses. That's how I look at skin. So here we go. Ready? Aha! And my trusty Q-tip. Very important. So let me show you what we look for. Here you have a young lady, Hani. Number one, you see this very, very nice straight jawline and this flatness right here and this very, very long neck. Bone structure is very, very important in terms of how I evaluate skin. The things she's going to be asking me about has to do with, number one, color correction. These little tiny marks, all here and here and here and here and here and here, and some of the pore structure in this area here. So it's basically color and texture that she's asking me about. If you use the Lancer method properly and you sort of build up a program for home care, many young people like this will get rid of all these marks and textural concerns without requiring procedures. That's the beauty of the program. A young woman like this, her main goal in life is not to have to wear makeup. Makeup is a camouflage. It indicates you're trying to hide something. So it's much better to clear up the complexion because makeup makes people look older. So let me give you an example of the simple starter program. This is the first key to the Lancer method, the polish. Polish is very different from exfoliant. And the polish is used preferably in the shower. Rinse your face, warm water. Then you take the polish out in small amounts. There you go, like that. And just rub it between your fingers. Now there's a mechanical component to this exfoliant, and there's an enzymatic protein component. You'll just use it on your entire face. You rinse it off with warm water, and then you move on from here to the cleanse. And the cleanse is used the same way, but you'll see it looks totally different. You'll see. You use it the entire face, neck, chest, rinse it off. And then you use the Nourish. And this is the starting program before you get to things that involve caviar peels and this, that, and the other thing. This Nourish is one of the main things that made the brand so famous. Now try that. And that's used on the entire face, neck, and the chest. This is a morning and night program. And you'll find that some people can use the polish morning and night. Some people can use it only at night. There's a difference in how a program is started for every single individual. That's why education is part of this brand. So folks, let's talk about the Sheer Fluid Sun Shield. This is one of the most popular products. Some of the individuals who come visit us from various parts of the Middle East will take home 2 or 3 cases of this material and give it out as gifts to all of their friends. It has both a physical and a chemical block, which is a very important part. If you rub it in, it blends in with every single skin tone. It doesn't leave a white cast, it doesn't crystallize, and it covers every component of the skin so you don't have any skip spots. It's very important, physical, chemical block, and the key is to use it every couple of hours. And there we have it.